Penny, Penny, Penny.
Hi, Daft Scots here, and this is probably now my third attempt to get this video to upload to YouTube so I can connect it to my blog. Anyway, so I'm not my usual chipper self now because I'm like half pissed off because it just keeps fucking out. Anyway, so I got up this morning and I decided I'd do a vlog instead of blogging. And just to get some inspiration, I watched a couple of episodes of Big Bang Theory because, as you all know, I've become like highly addicted to Big Bang Theory. I love Sheldon, Howard, and the rest of the gang. And today I watched the last of season 2, which is episode 23, and it was all about their like up and coming expedition to the Arctic, and it was hysterical. You know, the whole sort of Penny, Penny, Penny had another twist today, so if you want to know about it, or if you want to go and have a good giggle, go and watch episode 23 of season 2 of Big Bang Theory. Anyway, the point I was getting at is that after I'd done that, I decided that today would be the best day to start gym. Now, as a lot of you know, I signed up for gym last week Thursday, and of course nobody starts gym on a Friday, so I thought Monday would be the best day to start. But Monday here in South Africa is Human Rights Day, so we've got a public holiday tomorrow, which means no work. Yay! So I decided that I would start gym today. You know, go in nice and slow, check out the machines, check out the setup without having 5 million people looking at you because you're a newbie. So off I went and I did like 20 minutes on the Orbi trek, and I did some thigh thingies, outer and inner thigh, and then I did like 200 sit-ups or whatever. But I didn't realize it was going to be this difficult. I have been out of training for like just over a year now, and you can't actually believe how quickly you get so unfit. And so most of you know that I stopped smoking, I quit smoking in January, which means I've put on 7 kilograms since then. Yes, I've got like this humongous fat ugly arse now that I really need to get rid of. So joining the gym was the best thing, and I need to not only lose the weight but tone up and just get back into being fit. So I went to gym, came back, and then it took me like an hour to recover today because um, I don't know. I was exhausted. I was sweaty and sticky and it was quite gross. So I had to watch another couple of episodes of Big Bang Theory just to sort of get me back in a good mood. And then I sent my lovely Boereboos went to Woolies to go and get me a cheese pie because that's what I fancied for lunch. And it's quite ironic, really, because I mean, you go to gym and then you send your husband out to go and get you a big ass fucking greasy pie, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of going to gym, and it kind of cancels it out altogether. So I'll have to go back tomorrow and do like double Orbi trek, but it's okay. At least I've started, and it's actually great to be back at gym. And I can't wait to feel that stiff feeling you feel the next day. Then you know you're doing the right thing. So I've been yakking on now too long. It was going to be a short vlog because I know everybody's attention span is like that of a gnat. So especially bloggers. So hope you enjoyed the vlog instead of me rambling on about my blogging. And if you guys are in South Africa, have a great Human Rights Day. Not that we do anything on Human Rights Day. I guess we just hang around and eat cheese pies. So have a good day off. Enjoy the long weekend, and I'll chat to you guys probably on Tuesday when I'm back at work, because I'm going to do nothing tomorrow, no plans, which is awesome. So cheers everybody, have a good Human Rights Day and enjoy the weekend.